Most beginners struggle with blank pages, weak descriptions, slow progress. Sudowrite is designed to solve exactly that. Now, before we start, there's a subscription note. It's a paid tool, Sudowrite, so it's best for fiction writers, screenwriters, storytellers. So if you are serious about that, you should consider Sudowrite. Now, once you sign up or try Sudowrite for free, it's gonna take you to this page. It's gonna ask you a few questions like, what do you write and what kind of line of niche interest, what kind of novelty you want to write. So write a rough paragraph. You can open up right here your first project, right? And build with it, right? They're gonna give you they gave you already something to play with, right? And once you turn on the story Bible here, you're gonna find that brain dump, genre, style, synopsis, characters, world building, outline. You can use these in your own time once you build the structure. Okay, you can highlight a sentence, right? Ask Sudowrite to expand or rewrite, right? You can use their their version of ChatGPT basically, right? But it's gonna take a lot of credits, and I already drained mine. So you can ask, the AI to expand on that part, for example, right? You already, let's say, take this one, right? Now you can rewrite, comment, describe, expand, add a quick edit. Okay. You can pick what you like and just brainstorm, add more tools like plugins, etc. This is irrelevant, but you can brainstorm ideas like for character names, dialogue, world details, descriptions, plot points, or anything else. You can describe a word or phrase for suggestions using all 5 sentences and even metaphors. Rewrite part or all the story. You can write and expand on the chapter, right? Using auto, guided, or tone shift. Like change the style of your writing, more serious, dramatic, etc., etc. That captures the emotion, right? For example, the original line is "She was scared." Sudowrite helps turn it into physical reactions, internal thought, atmosphere. You choose the best version. Now, smart writers use AI for momentum, keep creative control, edit everything, pushes the story forward. So, if you don't have any experience in, or if you don't have an idea on how to write a story, AI won't help. So, Sudowrite doesn't make you lazy. It removes the creative friction. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.